Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by locating the animation you want to remove. First, select the object or armature in the 3D view so Blender targets the right data. Once selected, switch to the timeline and dope sheet. You'll see keyframes highlighted. Use box select or to select the range, then press X or delete to remove those keyframes. This removes standard animation keys. Make sure you only delete keys for the properties you mean to clear, because this action is immediate and affects visible motion. Once you've cleared timeline keys, you need to remove linked animation data. Open the Dope Sheets action editor and press the X next to the action name to unlink it. If the action still exists in Blender's data, delete it from the outliner orphan data later. Next, look in the graph editor for drivers, right-click a driven channel, and delete the driver to stop procedural changes. Finally, check shape keys and constraints on the object or armature, and remove any keyframes or driver links affecting them. Finish by inspecting the NLA editor, mute or delete any strips that still apply stored actions, and be careful about push-down actions that can reapply animation. After removing strips, open the outliner set to orphan data and purge unused actions, or use File Cleanup Purge all to remove leftover animation blocks. Save and reopen the file, scrub the timeline, and play to confirm motion is gone. If animation still appears, check for linked libraries or drivers. Unlink or remove those sources as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.